Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela Burris, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a modern design for your space. We'll be covering some key elements of modern design. Whether you're starting from scratch or updating your current home, this guide will give you the inspiration and information you need to create a sleek and stylish modern design in your space. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in.
Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see-through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so I need you. Baby girl love my bop and I like me too.
The first key element of modern design is clean lines. That means avoiding ornate details and keeping things simple and sleek. You can see that in the furniture and the architecture of this space. We've also incorporated natural materials like wood and stone to add some warmth and texture. Another way to incorporate natural materials is through accents and focal points. Like this beautiful marble island in the kitchen, it adds a touch of luxury to the space. Open floor plans are a common feature of modern design. They create a sense of space and flow between rooms. And with large windows like these, you can take advantage of natural light and views. But with the open floor plan, it's important to create zones and define spaces. You can do this with furniture placement, area rugs, or even different colors on the walls. I'm the Queen of Neutral, self-imposed title, Queen of Neutral. But what about color? Coming from the Queen of Neutral, loving, very clean and open and airy space, it doesn't have to be all neutral. You can add a pop of color like the beautiful blue accent wall in this bedroom. Just remember to keep it minimal and balanced with the rest of the space. You can also incorporate color through textiles, artwork, and accessories. When choosing modern furniture, look for pieces with clean lines and minimal ornamentation. You don't want all kinds of like rhinestones, this whole bedazzled, this glam styled, like mirrored furniture and gold everywhere and little crystals that look like diamonds on your coffee table and things like that. You don't want to do all that. It's going to quickly overwhelm the space and it's going to put it off balance because modern design is about the simplicity of things. And there's nothing simple about gold. There's nothing simple about gold. When you use gold, probably looking to accent it in a way that draws attention. So keeping things more pared back is going to be of utmost importance when you're trying to convey this type of style. Neutral colors like black, white, and gray, like this picture behind me, are popular colors, but don't be afraid to add a little bit of color when adding your accents in. It's also important to consider the scale of the furniture in relation to the size of the room so as to not overwhelm the space. Last thing you want is a big gigantic room and teeny tiny furniture. Last thing you want is a little tiny room with gigantic furniture. It's just going to feel off balance. It's not going to give you this modern cohesive look and it's just going to look ridiculous. So we want to avoid that at all costs. And please do not, whatever you do, please do not forget about lighting. Lighting is the key element in modern design. Always use a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a proper lighting scheme in your space. And choose fixtures with minimal and clean lines to tie everything together. You know you can use lighting to highlight architectural features and artwork, right? It's important. Sparingly though, sparingly. You don't want to have too much lighting. Like fluorescent lighting is going to be extremely harsh. It's not going to make your guests look good. It's not going to make your space look good. It's not going to make you feel good. But don't forget, it's a tool. Use it wisely. In a modern design, the bathroom is a wonderful place to create sleek and modernist features. Choose a simple vanity with clean lines and opt for a frameless glass shower door to create a seamless look. You can also add texture with natural stone or tile and incorporate a pop of color with towels or accessories. If you work from home, a modern home office can be both functional and stylish. Don't let anybody tell you different because it can be and it should be. What's the point of having a beautiful space if it doesn't work well? And what's the point of having a space if it's not beautiful? That's just ridiculous. I absolutely loathe spaces that functionally do exactly what they're meant to do, yes, but are ugly. Like for instance, the Prius. When the Prius first came out, I was just like, okay, yes, we're gonna save money on gas, but why does it have to be so damn ugly? I cannot stand form and function without beauty. It's just no reason for it. You should be surrounded by beautiful things all the time. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? Nothing. That's how it should be. Mandatory. No excuses. Anyway, that's it. My rant. Back to the video. Choose a desk with clean lines and plenty of storage, and incorporate comfortable seating for clients and guests. You can also add a pop of color with a bright accent wall or artwork. And finally, do not forget about your outdoor space. It should feel like an extension of the indoor space. And don't forget to incorporate natural materials like wood or stone. And that's it. With these tips, you can create a beautiful and modern design for any home. Good luck and happy designing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys coming back to my channel if you're returning. And if you're new here, please don't forget to hit the like button, leave me a comment, and if you're feeling inclined, subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Top and my babe see through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so why I need you? Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see through.